What's going on, everybody? So basically, we out here. What we're trying to do right now is install this 3.5 lowering kit for the Silverado from DJM Suspension. First time doing this, so we're gonna see how it goes. You know, we got a pretty low battery today, so we're gonna try and make it quick. But I'm starting with the shocks. Basically, the first step is loosening the leaf spring. But I'm just kind of messing around doing a few extra things real quick. So this is going to be more like clips of what I end up doing just because I don't have that much battery. But we're going to get to it. So let's get it. So the first step on my end is removing the shocks. All right, got that one out of here. Done for. It's done for. Never again. See if I can clean this up a little bit up in here. Since I'm on this side, and I know one of the things that I have to most likely do anyway is cut the exhaust off, I'm going to set up the wheel and cut that off real quick just to get it out of here, get it out the way, and keep it moving. Exhaust is out. Time to hit the leaf spring, get that thing off of there, and keep it moving. Ranger in the background. What up? So we're back. It's like day, I don't know, like 2 or 3 of the whole thing. We're still going at it. I decided that I'm gonna get started on the front pretty soon. Obviously, you know, we're outside, so we're getting a little bit of a surface rust, but that's nothing that we can't take care of. I'm gonna get this C-notch put in, and then once I do that one, instead of going to that side, I'm gonna just go to the front, see if I can get the front taken care of. Then I'm gonna come back, do the other C-notch, clean this up back here, put the gas tank back in, and for now, since I don't have a bed, I'm gonna see about using that fiberglass cover and just cutting it to shape and making it fit nicely here, but we'll see. So for now, pretty much, let's get to it. Peace. Hey man, it looks pretty good for what it is. I guess, I don't know, I kind of cut it at a weird angle, so where I cut it at, basically the way I put it in, I can't put a bolt right here, so it's gonna be missing one right there, but that's all right. I'll put the bump stop in there a little bit later, but for now we're gonna try and get started on the front. And basically all I did so far for the front end is take out this bolt, Take out this bolt for the lower control arm and this bottom bolt right here for the shock. I'm gonna finish taking out the shock and keep it moving.
That C-notch though.
All right, guys, we're getting closer and closer. So here we are. I just got pretty much everything back together. The shock absorber's in place, new axles in place, sway bar link is there. Like I said, you got to make sure you grease the bushings in the control arm before you tighten them all up and everything. Same tie rod as before. A few things are staying. You know, the upper control arm staying for now. This is just to make sure everything's going to work out, and then we'll get to replacing everything that replacing pretty much everything else. But it's looking pretty good. Like I said, I got the sway bar links. The sway bar links didn't come with the kit. I ordered those off Rock Auto, and the axles too are off of Rock Auto. But yeah, this is the control arms and whatnot is the DJM 3.5 kit off of, I believe I got it from Deviant Designs. But yeah, so yeah, no, the torsion bar is all tightened back up and whatnot. Let's see, that's all back in place. So now I gotta get to the other side. What's up, guys? So yeah, I did end the video there just because the clip started getting a little bit choppy, but stay in tune for the next couple of videos. You'll be able to see more of the truck. I'll be able to show it off a little bit more and give some more detail as to where we're going to go next with the truck. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Definitely like and subscribe for more. We got a lot more on the way. So all right, guys, check you out. Peace.